everything. And in every bridal team, you know, there's always these four unique people. I hope I can count because it might turn out to be five, but whatever. Right, right. There's your best friend, right? The guy who just loves you so much that he just wants this to go well. He's down to do anything that you want to do. There's that deputy coach guy, right? The one where even if the coach is not there, you know that this one has caught all the dance moves. It's like he was born with a Walkman on his head. There's the awkward couple, the two that like each other but they're too shy to say and they're hoping right? Then there's that really stiff friend, right? You know, he can't dance, but he loves you. He cares about you from here. He really hoped when you told him you're getting married, he would just ask you know that. He was hoping that you would just ask for money, for transport, for his car, for anything, not for the dancing, but because he's your friend, he can't say no. So there he is.